guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna turn this lovely chicken into something curry. So I already have my washed chicken that I wash with lime and vinegar, and now I'm gonna add some seasoning to it. So I have seasoned up chicken flavor Maggie, and this is about 3 tablespoons, and I'm gonna, and this is seasoned up all-purpose Maggie, and this is 4 tablespoons. 1 teaspoon of black pepper or ground pepper, garlic powder 2 tablespoons, some pimento beans, curry powder, better pack. It's about 4 tablespoons of better pack curry. Or this is about 2 pack of the small pack. Some chopped garlic and chopped ginger. Chopped garlic and chopped ginger. And this is a 4 cloves of garlic. 4 garlic. Scallion and thyme, fresh. Chopped onion. Sweet pepper or bell pepper. Now we're gonna massage this into the meat. And I massage this and let it soak for at least 20 minutes before cooking. I'm gonna leave this to marinate for 20 minutes, and then we're gonna cook. So now that the curry is marinated, I'm gonna add some oil into the pot, just a little bit, to burn the curry. I'm gonna put some curry, about 1 tablespoon of garlic. So we'll burn our curry first. You don't have to. Burning it or don't burning it, you get the same result. But I grew up this way burning it, so I'm gonna continue burning it. So we're gonna add our nicely seasoned curry to the pot. We're gonna add everything to the pot. Seasoning everybody. And then we're going to add our scotch bonnet pepper, and we're just going to nicely close this pot and leave it to cook for about half an hour. And don't add any water, just close it and leave it. So we're going to check on it right now. Smells good. See? Look at it, and we didn't even add any water yet. You see that? You see that? See that? So now we're gonna add about 1 cup of water into it, then we're gonna close it and let it cook. Add in the water. I'm gonna close it and leave it. to the curry pretty, you know. Oh my, look at it. Now I'm gonna give it a taste. I'm gonna give it a taste and I'll see if it needs any more. You need some heat to it. I think it needs some heat, so I'm gonna add this thing right here. Is Walker's Wood seriously hot Jamaican Jankuno pepper sauce. See, this thing bad, so you can't use too much. It's really pepper. So I gotta add like 1 teaspoon. Depends on if you like heat. If you don't like heat, don't add this part. But we're not gonna add too much, you know. Just add a little bit. So this thing. Look at that. Oh my. Smells good. Alright, and now at this part, as the chicken almost done, we'll add some Irish. We'll add some Irish to it and add the carrot. I'm gonna eat this with some boiled dumpling, cassava, corn, and some boiled banana, and some dasheen. You know you want some gravy to eat, ground food, so there you have it. Took me approximately 45 minutes to an hour to cook. You wanna cook this until you can see it's fully tender and soft. See that? Juicy. And you're not seeing any red into the bone, you know. Everything is cooked and tender. I'm gonna share some of this curry chicken with some banana dumpling, corn, and cassava. I'm gonna put a little bit of gravy first. Put some curry chicken, and there you have it. And I'm gonna eat my dinner right now. There you have it. There you have it. So this is the finished product, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, share, leave a comment down below. I want your Irish to be soft and nice. Like, share, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. Like this video if you like this video, and share it to the friend or a family. Tell them what's going on over my channel, and cook yourself some curry chicken. Bye guys.